We're talking about the existence of a creator. It must happen. Make sense?
Yeah.
Which is, I mean, like I mentioned, like, that's what you said before about the issue of infinite regression. We had it before, infinite regression. You know, we know that everything came from something else, and then something else, and something else. They can't go on forever. So there has to be something outside of this thing that made it happen. The only possibility that there is only one God. Meaning, if there was two gods, listen carefully. If God can do anything, listen carefully. If God can do anything, and there was two of them. Thank you. Because if one said one, the other said the other, they can't do anything. So there has to be one Almighty Creator. So basically, in that logic here, there can only be one. We as human beings need a message. And as a go rap, the A is just an and. So first one is God is existence, is oneness, revelation, and prophethood. I'm not sure we've got a time for it because the time literally up. But I would like to get some role play. Anyone wants to like do a stand here and give me Dawah? Who wants to give me Dawah? So. So who can tell me what we learned in this discussion here? From what I said. What you do is fine, by the way. You do is fine, by the way. What did we learn?
Oh, I know. Sometimes people are just too defiant and they're coming over to learn. They're not afraid to give that up.
No. Either way is something fine.
He didn't know how to start it.
You know how to start it? Okay.
He didn't want to listen to what he was saying.
That's what I want to hear. You spoke to me, you said hello, and I didn't say nothing to you. This is careful. Remember I said to you, at this point, what do you do?
Walk away.
Stop. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm serious. Because the more he was talking to me, the more uncomfortable I was feeling. I'm like, and he's like looking at me like, why are you looking at me, bro? You know what I'm saying? Have a seat. Say mashallah.
Mashallah.
Okay, anyone else?
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
What's your name?
My name is John. How are you?
Oh, hi. How are you, John?
He's doing well, doing fine.
So, I just wanted to talk to you about your religion.
Let's continue. Yeah, I am.
You see, the thing is, if blah 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 is blah blah blah.
No. Let's just choose Christianity. Okay.
I don't know much about that. How about the elephant head?
Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Listen. Let's learn. So Hinduism, go on.